How to set up dual monitors in Windows 10 or Windows 11 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up dual monitors in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So as I am using the Windows 11, it's same as the Windows 10, and you just have to go to your search bar and search for settings from here, and you just have to click on the settings, and after that you have to click on the system. And after clicking on the system, you can see there is a option called display on the first row. You just have to click on the display option, and when you plug another or secondary display to your laptop or your desktop PC, you will see another option here. As I have not plugged in another device, it's not showing there. So you can just select which display you want to use as the primary monitor and which one you want to use as the secondary monitor, and then you can also do some advanced settings from there, and you can just change the display from these options, and you can see, and you can also choose the refresh rate of the secondary display. So that's it for this video guys, see you on the next video.